Hi guys, welcome to another podcast for MH Law CT 5 years examination. And today we have Anushka Saraswat from Jaipur, Rajasthan. She is OMS student and the score is nothing but 120 marks out of 150. Rank is 268. So mostly GLC or the ILS she might be getting. All right. So as of now, cap round not yet started, about to start. So be ready with all the documents with regards to the cap round. All right. So let's talk with Anushka. Hello, Anushka. Hello. How
Hello,
are
sir.
you? Good
I'm
evening. Good
really good,
evening.
sir.
So after getting 120 ka score, how's the feeling? And laga tha, did you expected this?
Yes, sir, it was expected, but still I didn't expect it 120. It was huge. I was very, very happy. Very happy.
Very, very happy. Okay. Okay. So as you mentioned, you joined us for the mock program. So how much it was helpful with regards to your preparation?
I would say the most important thing in during the preparation is the mock series, mock tests. One should give like a lot of mock tests. It's really helpful. Like it just helps with everything.
All right, all right. So, how was your law entrance preparation journey?
So I started in 11th. I started for CLAT. So I prepared for 2 years, but then CLAT pattern was changed. And
सदमा लग गया.
yeah, it was just very bad. It
Very
was
bad,
very
yeah.
bad experience, and due to my some health problems, I was not able to give CLAT with like my best preparation.
Mm-hmm.
And I also gave MHCT last year, but like I didn't know anything about it then, so my score was like pretty less, and so I decided I would repeat, like I would give the exam once again next year, and I started preparing. So I didn't drop for it because my only aim was GLC. It was always GLC since then. So I decided that I would do self study, and I did it along with college. Like I didn't drop the year. I took admission in a normal college which is in my state, and I prepared along with that.
Okay, okay. Apart from CLAT and CT, any other exam like SLAT, BHU, or A-Late exam?
No, sir. I only gave CLAT, and this time I only gave MHCT. So this was like my only
Only
chance.
focus MSCT and
Yes.
GLC,
Yeah,
या तो
that's
फिर
it.
लास्ट में ILS second option.
Yes.
चलो अच्छा है, great. So basically, finally hit 120 score out of 150.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So during your preparation, what do you think if you're preparing for law entrance examination, what should be the attitude towards the preparation?
According to me, sir, like what I like the previous time, what I did not do was being consistent. Like
Okay.
being consistent is like very important. Even if you study for half an hour, just being in touch with the syllabus and with the exam preparation is very important. Like one should never ever be inconsistent during the preparation. That's what I learned.
Mm-hmm. So consistent is the key.
Yeah, consistency. Even if it's for half an hour or 15 minutes. For MHCT, I didn't skip. Not even
Okay.
a single day went by without, preparing.
So since as you mentioned that you repeated MSCT, so I mean, ideally what happened when you are repeating any syllabus, you get bored of section, bored of the topic. So ऐसा कुछ हुआ था कि अरे सेम टॉपिक वापस पढ़ना है और कैसे करेंगे? So
Yes, sir.
I mean ये चैलेंज आया था.
Yes, sir. Because
And
I already prepared. I started preparing from 11th. So my concepts were pretty clear. The only thing was revision. And I did that through mock tests. And speed was, my concern. And I overcame it by writing mock tests.
okay, okay, okay. So if we talk about the section by section, which section you think it is manageable, and if you follow the right strategy for all the aspirant, any of the student who are preparing for the exam, and which section is difficult to cope up, and what should be the strategy for it?
According to me, apart from GK, every section is manageable. The only section which is not manageable is GK because it's so vast, like you cannot be sure of what's gonna come in the examination. But still, like you have to prepare for it. There's no other option. Like you have to do it from some sources, and that's the only option. But apart from that, every section is manageable. Like practicing and writing tests of each and every topic, that will do the work.
Okay. Which section was your favorite section?
Legal reasoning was my favorite. Like I just love the section. Like, it's just so interesting, and also logical reasoning was interesting. It was
Mhm,
my
mhm,
favorite. I would not say the strongest, but favorite.
mhm. Okay. So those who are weak in English, I mean, how they should prepare for the English section,
I
according to
would
you?
say surround yourself with everything that's in English. Like listen to English songs, listen to watch English movies, read books, whatever that interests you, but do it in a way that you are being surrounded by English. That helps a lot. Like you can listen to TED Talks on YouTube, you can listen to English podcasts, everything that's like my English was pretty good, like since the schooling, but some people I've seen they've managed to get a good level in English through these things. So and also reading newspaper is a bit boring, I would say, but it is helpful.
Mhm. Once you start, I mean, when you not interested in any of the like, as you mentioned, like English is boring, but I don't think it is boring. If you start making it interesting, then definitely you have to, in fact, because if you are going for the entrance examination, especially for the exams such as CLAT examination, where more of a comprehensive sort of a question now they have started asking, so there
Yeah.
you have to thorough with the reading part. So those who are not good in reading part, you have to make the habit of reading. Start with the story book. You can start with story book and the small easy level English. So
Yeah.
gradually you will start coping up with the harder level English, like Indian Express, then after then the Hindu. But yeah, reading you have to bring into the practice if you want to be a good lawyer. Okay, Anushka, how come this law idea came into the picture?
I don't exactly remember, but there was in my family, someone was a high court judge who passed away, and my mom used to tell me about him that he was a high court judge, and I was very fascinated since then. And I also wanted to go to judiciary since then only. And so I decided, and also I'm very much interested in reading crime stories and everything. That just interests me. So I think that was the reason.
Okay, okay, great. So from Jaipur to Mumbai, how you connected with Menu? Got connected by with us, or maneuver,
Um,
you can say. Yeah.
so last year I was just scrolling my YouTube, and the podcast video came on my feed. And thanks to that, I listened to all the podcast videos and it really motivated me. So whenever I was feeling down or demotivated, I used to watch podcast videos. And since then only I got to know that.
And finally today you are in the podcast.
Yes, sir.
Okay, dream comes true for
Yeah,
that.
dreams do come true.
Okay. Coming to the last minute tips. This is the kind of a question I asked from all the students, all the toppers, all the people, those who come for the podcast. What is the last tips or the session you want to give to upcoming year aspirant? सबका अपना
Um,
अपना अलग अलग टिप्स होता है. So what according to you, what tips you want to give them?
According to me, in the last few days before the exam, or even before few days or hours or whatever, you should not write mock test. That's what I think. It just because confidence is also important when you're writing an exam.
If
Not
your score is low, if you
Yeah.
score less marks, then confidence will go down. This is
And
what the,
mocks are just for practice. Like exam is just totally different. Exam counts for everything, your confidence, everything, like in total. Every bit counts. So I think that is important. Also, believing in yourself is very important. And being relaxed, and that's it. Like I think that will do the work. And
and
also while writing the exam, you should not think of the result about the result. Like that's what I did last time. Like what's gonna come, like if I leave this question I'm just out of the race and everything. So that you should not do. Just do your test and just leave everything at that.
very important. You should be consistent.
Yes.
All right, all right. So basically, if I conclude, summarize entire podcast, you have started your early preparation. That is the one. Second, you repeated CET because, and then you focus only to CET exam, no any other examination. And obviously consistent is the key. That is what the one. And you had your proper roadmap, and analyzing your preparation, you written the mock test and all, right? Great. Anything else you want to add on?
Yes, sir. And I would like to say that you should not be demotivated by your mock scores. Like mostly every student, there was a time when I was also in this place, but I think mock scores shouldn't bother you that much. Exam is totally different, and yeah.
Yes, don't judge your preparation based on the mock score. That is the
Exactly.
one. Exam mock is just for the practice purpose, and it will give the kind of a confidence, no doubt about it. And difficulty level of the mock is obviously it is 1 or 2 step higher than the real exam.
Like
But
there was a point where I got 115 in your mock test,
Mhm.
and then the other day I got 101. So it
Oops.
was very, fluctuating. So you should not be, overly excited or demotivated.
Yes. I
Just
mean, some of the mock are, I mean, sometimes it is tough. So
yeah,
score थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे होगा तो overall rank भी down होगी. If
yeah,
the paper is tough, then it is tough for everyone. Very
yeah.
simple. So yeah, correct. So guys, these are the common and common mistake you can say, or the important learning from the Anushka, and such kind of a podcast will keep on coming up. Kindly watch all the podcasts. काफी सीखने को मिलेगा जो लोग 2022-2023 के लिए टारगेट कर रहे हो, एंड सारे हडल्स मिस्टेक्स आप भी न करो, और आएगी आगे सारी प्रॉब्लम्स. सो learn from these podcasts and implement the same. Thank you, Anushka, coming and sharing your experience. Once again, congratulations for 120 marks. ठीक है, अभी
Thank you,
जयपुर से
sir.
मुंबई या तो फिर आईएलएस पुणे. ठीक है,
Hopefully.
चलो, all the best for your career.
Thank you, sir.
Bye
Bye.
bye. Yeah.